Hello, this is Deepthi from Excel Logics, and the topic is shortcut keys. Control N. Control N opens a new workbook. New workbook got opened with name book 1. And to close workbook, Control W. That workbook got closed. And to close any type of file, shortcut key is Alt F4. Like you can close PowerPoint file or document, or you can shut down your system by using Alt F4. It closes the application, any type of file. Shift F11 to open a new sheet, insert a new sheet. Sheet gets added always before active sheet. Sheet got added before active sheet. And to delete a sheet, shortcut key is Alt EL. And to open chart sheet, shortcut key is F11. And to delete a sheet, Alt EL. Alt EL deletes any type of sheet. And coming to Alt F11, opens a VB code window. Here we write a macro. And this is a different file, right? To close this file, I'm using Alt F4. And Control page up to select sheets towards left side. Now we are in shortcut keys. To select left side sheets, Control page up. Now we are in hierarchy drop down, define name, reference. Same way to select right side keys, Control page down. And Control arrow keys to move. Control, if I click on Control arrow key, it is taking us to the last data cell. Again, if I click on Control down arrow, it is taking us to the last cell, 10,48,576. Control up arrow, it is taking us to the last data again. Control up arrow, again it is taking us to the first data. And coming to shift. Shift arrow keys to select. Shift down arrow selects downside, right arrow selects right side, up arrow selects up side, left arrow selects left side. Shift in the combination of shift. Control A selects all. See, I placed my cursor on this cell and I'm clicking on Control A. It is selecting the entire continuous data. If I place my cursor on empty cell and if I click on Control A, it selects the entire sheet. And next, Control space bar to select entire column. See, now my cursor is in this cell, Control space bar, selecting the entire column. Same way, Shift space bar selects the entire row. And Control plus or Control Shift plus to insert row or column. See, if you have plus symbol directly on your keyboard, then go with Control plus. If you have plus symbol above equals to, on a single key, if you have equals to and plus both, go with Control Shift plus. In some keyboards, there will be a section on the right side for numerical values. You will have keypad on the right side for some laptops. There you will find direct plus symbol. If you find that directly, you can go with Control plus. If you don't have that keypad, then you will have numerical values on the top. So beside that numerical values, you will have a key with equals to and plus. If you are using that key to enter plus, go with Control Shift plus. I am selecting column, Control Shift plus. New column got inserted. To delete a column, Control minus. Next, Control D to fill the value in the selected range towards down. See, I have this value. I want that value downside. So I'm selecting the cell and Control D. It gives that value till the selection. Same way, if you want right sides, if you want to fill the values on the right side, select the range and Control R. Control D is for downside fill and Control R is for right side fill within the selection. Next, Control Enter to fill the value in the complete selected range. Now see, in this range, I want this value. If I click on enter, this value will be entered only in this cell, but I want this value in the entire range. So I go with Control Enter. And next, Control G, go to. Now we are in which cell? I16 cell. Now I want to go to some AD28 cell. Instead of scrolling my cursor, I go with Control G and AD28. Enter. See, directly it is taking us to AD28 cell. You can go to any cell by giving the reference. Shortcut key is Ctrl G. Control semicolon gives today's date. Control Shift semicolon gives current time. Control 1 takes us to Format Cells dialog box. Now I want to change the date format. Control 1. Here I got Format Cells dialog box. Here you have date formattings, time formattings, currency, percentage. You have different formattings. I want to change date format, so I am selecting this date. I got day number, month name and year. And Control F1 to hide or unhide the ribbon. This wider part is known as ribbon. So Control F1. Ribbon got hidden. Again Control F1, unhide. So here Control F1 is acting as switch. Means to hide and to unhide we are using the same key. So this type of options are known as switch cases. Same way for bold. To apply bold we use Control B. To remove bold again we use Control B. We are using same option to enable and to disable. And next Control K is for hyperlink. Now we are in shortcut keys. I want to link first sheet. My first sheet is overview sheet. I want to link to that sheet. So let me write that sheet name. Selecting that cell, Control K. Here I have different options of where you want to link, like to another existing file or web page, or if you want to create a new document and link, or you want to link to a mail address. You have different options, but I have overview sheet on the same document. So I'm going with place in this document, in the same document. Here I have overview and cell address. You can give anything for which sheet you want to, which cell you want to link. Let us go with A1 cell. Okay. Now see, if I click on this overview, it directly takes me to overview sheet. Okay. Same way you can insert hyperlinks for shapes also. Let me take any shape. Control K. Now again I want to go to shortcut keys. Shortcut keys. Now let us change it to some A26. Okay. Now if I click on this shape, it directly takes us to the A26 cell on in shortcut keys sheet. In this way you can link to different sheets and different files also. I'll explain you in detail about a hyperlink in our next classes. Command Shift F2 is for comment. Shift F2. You can give a comment directly. If you want to remove the comment, right click, delete note. Control F3 takes us to name manager. In name manager it shows all defined names here. So we have name manager in formulas tab. If you want to get name manager directly, and the shortcut key is Control F3. I got name manager here. Directly you can see your defined names here. Flash fill, we already discussed about flash fill in versions part. Shortcut key is Control E. And format as table, shortcut key is Control T. We have format as table in home tab. Here we have some predefined formats. To apply these formats, if you click on Control T, it will highlight with the default format, first format. It will highlight your table with the first format. And coming to Alt, here I have shortcut keys based on Alt. Alt is to access tabs. Like whenever you click on Alt, all tabs gets highlighted. Again, if you want borders, we will have borders in home tab. If I click on H, again home tab options gets highlighted. Borders with B, and which border you want to display. I want all borders A. Border got applied. So first let us do some things. Let us do some formattings to a table. equals to ran. So ran between, now I want to fill these values to the entire table, entire selection. So Control Enter. Copy, Control Alt V. I'm going with values. I'll explain you about paste special also. Now to this table, I want to apply borders. Where do we have borders? In Home tab. So click on Alt. Home tab got highlighted with H. Click on H. Borders got highlighted with B. And all borders got highlighted with A. Alt H B A for borders. Now I want thick outside borders. Again in borders. Alt borders will be there in Home tab H. And borders got highlighted with B. And thick outside borders got highlighted with T. Thick outside borders. Now I want to make header bold. For bold, we have shortcut key Control B, or if you want to use Alt, we have bold in H, Home tab. So H and bold got represented with 1. Or else if you want, you can directly go with Control B. Now I want everything in center alignment. I want these values in center. Now the values are on the right side of the cell and text is on the left side. I want everything in center. Here I have center alignment in Home tab again. Alt H, center alignment AC. Okay, now for header I want interior color yellow. Here I have interior color in Home tab. Alt H. Again for background color I have H and select with cursor, arrow keys. Now I want font color red. Here I have font color. Again I have font color in Home tab. Alt H for font color FC. With arrow keys select the color. Red. Enter. In this way, apply formatting by using this shortcut keys. If you click on Alt, all tabs gets highlighted, but you should know which option was there in which tab. Then only you can use this Alt shortcut keys. We completed all borders, and coming to autofit column width. Here I have some data which is exceeding the cell length. Now I want to autofit this column till this data. So to autofit, Alt H. Here I have format represented with O, and what happened? Let me do it again. Alt H O. Here I have autofit column width with I. I'm clicking on I. See, column width got autofitted. To rename a sheet, again Alt H O R. Alt in Home tab, in Format. Here I have rename sheet with R. Now you can rename it. So instead of doing this, directly double click on sheet name. That will be better, right? Double click and change the name, edit it. Thick borders we discussed, merge center, merge across. Now I want to merge all these cells to a single cell. Here I have merge and center, Alt H, merge and center M, again merge and center C. Now see, all cells merged to a single cell. And coming to merge across, now I don't want to merge everything. I want to merge only columns. I don't want to merge rows. So Alt H M, merge across A. See, only columns got merged. Center alignment, we did Alt H AC. Number format. Here I have some number. I want to convert this number to a date. Here I have number formats in Home tab, Alt H, numbers with N, and then with arrow key select. I want short date. I got date. And Control C is to copy, Control X is to paste. So Control X is to cut, Control V is to paste. And we have Control Alt V for paste special. So what is paste special? See here to this table, I have some formattings. I don't want, like when you copy anything, values gets copied, formats gets copied, formulas gets copied, data validation gets copied, and comments gets copied. And all these things gets pasted. But now I want to paste only values. I don't want formats, formulas, anything. So copy. To paste, shortcut key is Control V. For paste special, shortcut key will be Control Alt V. And here it is asking all means all formulas, values, formats, comments, validation gets pasted, but I want to paste only values. I'm selecting values. See, only values got pasted without formatting. And next I have names in vertical. Here I want names in horizontal now. So copy names, again Ctrl Alt V. Here we have option transpose. Okay, I got names in horizontal. Now I want it in vertical. Again copy, Ctrl Alt V. Here formats also got transposed. I want to transpose only values. So click values, transpose. Only values got transposed. And data validation, we can show list in data validation. I want a list of this in a drop down. So shortcut key for, we have data validation in data tab. Here we have data validation. So shortcut key is Alt A V V. So Alt, data tab got highlighted with A, and data validation got highlighted with V. Again data validation got highlighted with V. Here I want list and I want to display this list. Now I got that list. And fill series, I'll explain you that. Before that, here filters. To apply filters, shortcut key is Alt A T. I want filters to this table. Place your cursor on any cell of your table and Alt. We have filters in data tab A, and filters got highlighted with T. Filters got applied. From here you can filter your data. And to make it bold, Control B, and to make italic, Control I. Now coming to fill series. In fill series, we have different options like linear, growth, autofill, and date. First, let us go with linear. Alt H F I S. This is the shortcut key. Now I want linear. Normally I want sequence 1 2 3 4 5 6. What we do, we write 1 and we drag it down. We write 1 2 3 and we drag it down till we need. But suppose I want 10 serial numbers, sorry, 100 serial numbers. I cannot drag till 100 perfectly, right? I want 1000 serial numbers. I cannot drag it till 1000 cells. So the shortcut key is Alt H F I S. Alt H means home tab, Fi means fill, S means series. Alt H F I S. Here I have linear, and I want values in vertical in columns. So I'm selecting columns. Here we have step value, means increment. Next value should be increased by what value? I want value increased by 1 because I want 1 2 3 4 5. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. In that way it will increase. Until where you want values. If you want 100 values, give 100. But I want only 10 values now. I'm giving 10. Okay, I got 10 values. Suppose I want increment 2. Alt H F I S. I want values in columns. Linear. Let me take step value 2, means increment 2. And stop value this time, let's take 20. 19 plus 2 is 21. My stop value is 20. 21 is exceeding 20, so it is giving only till 19. This is about linear. Linear is nothing but it adds cell value with step value until it reaches stop value. It will add with the increment. In linear, cell value will add with step value. Okay. This is about linear. Now let us see growth. So linear is adding cell value with step value. Growth will multiply cell value with step value. So let me give 1. Alt HFIS. I want values in columns. Growth. Growth multiplies, let me give stop value as 20. Growth multiplies step cell value with step value. So 1 into 1, 1. Again 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Every time it gives 1 only. It will never reach 20. So let me take step value 2. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 2, 32. But my stop value is 20. It gives output only till 16. 16 to the 32. So it is not giving next value. Okay, this is about growth. And next, coming to autofill. Now, let me write Sunday. And for autofill, you should select the range. It fills within the selection. Alt H FIS, and I'm selecting autofill. For autofill, see, this got disabled because for text we cannot give values, right? Stop value and step value. We cannot give increment for text. We can give increment only for numbers. So this got disabled when I select autofill. Sunday. Okay, sorry. So I'll explain you about that. Before that, see, if I give Sunday, Alt H FIS and autofill, it is giving Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and continuing. If I give Jan, select the range. For autofill, you should select the range. Don't forget. Alt H FIS, autofill. It is giving Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. Same way, if I give A, it should give B, C, D, E, F, G. Alt H FIS, autofill. It is giving AAA. Only for Sunday, Monday, and January, February, it is giving the list. It is giving the next values. But for A, it is not giving B, C, D. Because this Sunday, Monday list and January, February lists are predefined lists. I'll show you those lists in File, Options, Advanced. Here we have custom list, edit custom list. Here you find Monday, Tuesday, month to Jan, Feb, January, February list. These are predefined lists. We don't have any ABCD list here. So for ABCD, it is not giving ABCD. It is giving only AAAA. If you want to enter any new list, you can enter it here. Now let me enter Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday list. Now if I write Sunday, which list it gives? Sunday, Monday list or Sunday, Tuesday list? We have two lists now. Let us check. Autofill, okay. It is giving Sunday, Tuesday list. So last updated list, it gives last updated list. Then what if I want Sunday, Monday list? At that time, write Sunday, Monday, and then now drag it down, autofill it. Alt H FIS, autofill. Now I got Sunday, Monday list. Okay. And now coming to name one, name two, we don't have name one, name two list also in the original, in the customized list, predefined list. So what it gives? Let us check. It is not giving name one, name one, name one. It is giving name one, name two, name three, because even if it is not in our predefined list, it is giving output based on numerical values. Here numerical values got increased, right? Same way, based on numerical values, it is giving the output. Irrespective of this name, you can write AA1 or BBB1 or CCC1, anything. It just increases the numbers. Based on numbers, it gives the output. Clear? And now if you want to delete this custom list, again go to File, options, advanced, and in general. Here we have edit custom list, select, delete. List will be permanently deleted. Okay. And if I try to delete this list, it is delete option is not getting highlighted. The delete option got disabled because these are predefined lists. We cannot delete these lists. Okay. This is about autofill. And next, coming to numbers, dates. We left with dates. Control semicolon. Now I want dates. Alt H FIS date increment. Here we have date, and I'm selecting day and increase step value is 1. I'm not giving any stop value because I selected the range, so it gives output within the selection. So with increment of 1, it is giving dates. And next, if you don't select the range, you can give stop value. Now I'm going with weekday. Weekday means it gives only weekdays, Monday to Friday dates. It won't give Saturday and Sunday. See, 19, today is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. See, after 21, again directly it is giving 24. 22 and 23rd are Saturdays and Sundays. It is not showing Saturday and Sunday dates. Alt H FIS. Next I have month. Step value is 1, so it will give date with each 1 month increment. See, 19th August, 19th September, 19th October. And next, year increment. Now I'm not selecting the range. Now let us see how it works without selecting the range. Let us give stop value. Year, I want values in columns. Previously I haven't selected columns because we are selecting the range in columns, so directly it is taking columns. Now we are not selecting the range, so I'm selecting columns. And year and stop value, I want 19th August 2027. Only years got increased with step value 1. This is about dates. Okay. This is about shortcut keys. Thank you.